Is it the right time to buy or sell Fisker stock? Let's dive deep into Fisker in this video. We initially published our report on Monday, January 8, 2024, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 2, 2024, our system has identified Fisker as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.24. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Fisker stock has faced a significant loss of -26.38%. This means that, on average, it has been losing -5.28% per day since it was labeled as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend, making it a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $1.29, it may indicate a slower falling rate and potentially a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a -81.44% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return between -100% and -80.01%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected -48.07% change over the next year, with a potential return between -44.90% and 107.46%. This means that the stock's price could range from $0.661 to $2.49 after a year. Our latest update on Fisker brings a headline of interest: high volatility in Fisker stock price on Monday, which closed at $1.20. On the last day, Monday, January 8, 2024, the Fisker stock price experienced a decline of 9.77%, dropping from $1.33 to $1.20. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 19.72%, ranging from a low of $1.16 to a high of $1.39. In the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a cumulative decrease of 19.46%. While volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, it occurred during a period of falling prices. This could be considered an early warning sign, with a slight increase in risk expected over the next few days. In total, approximately 42 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of approximately $50.87 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $8.67, while the lowest price was $1.16. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 86.15% lower than the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $7.47. Furthermore, it is trading at a price that is 96.25% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on March 2, 2021, when the price reached $31.96. Let's talk about analyst ratings for FSR. According to a report on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Needham gave FSR a hold grade with a hold action. Another report on the same day from Raymond James stated that they gave FSR a market perform grade with a hold action. On Monday, February 27, 2023, CFRA gave FSR a sell grade with an upgrade action. Moving back to November 30, 2022, Evercore ISI gave FSR an outperform grade with an initialize action. Finally, on November 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley gave FSR an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Fisker stock a general rating of neutral. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy, and the price to book as also a strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of sell. Let's take a look at the signals identified for Fisker. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, has given a buy signal. However, there are also some negative signals that might impact its short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for the Fisker stock, indicating sell signals. Moreover, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock price corrects upwards, it might face resistance at $1.48 and $1.68. A breakthrough above these levels would generate buy signals. On Friday, December 29, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -31.43%. There might be further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Yesterday, the volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's recommended to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicates a sell signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator suggests a buy signal 82 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 58 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 61 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 50 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about Fisker and its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. When it comes to support, there is no significant accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock may perform poorly in the next few days. In terms of risk, Fisker typically experiences average movements throughout the day. However, with a good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the stock's recent performance, it had a price range of $0.229 between its high and low points in the last trading day, which is equivalent to a 19.72% fluctuation. Furthermore, over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 12.25%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Fisker, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is essential as it measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 26, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.200. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's dive into some day trading levels for Fisker. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for Fisker is at $1.33. If you don't own any shares, it might be best to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. There isn't any significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock has the potential to drop sharply under certain conditions. It's important to exercise caution and only place bets if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The average rating for Fisker from multiple analysts is currently neutral. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 6, 2023, Buting Flores bought 160,183 shares of Class A common stock. On November 6, 2023, Buting Flores made another insider purchase, this time acquiring 0 shares. On October 6, 2023, Gruel Wendy J. bought 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. On October 6, 2023, Hickson Mark E. also conducted an insider buy, acquiring 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. On October 6, 2023, McDermott William R. joined in and bought 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of -9.821. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,722,151 shares and sold 3,667,772 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, our evaluation of this stock is negative and there is no stop loss set. Is Fisker stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Fisker is currently experiencing negative signals and is caught in a wide and declining trend. This suggests that it may continue to underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. However, upon analyzing the volatility in movements of the last trading day, our systems have noticed that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 9th, we expect Fisker to open with an increase of $0.0503, starting its trading at $1.25. It's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Before buying or selling any securities, it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your agreement or disagreement in the comments section below. Additionally, we'd love to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being here with us at Stock Invest.